Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution, and I'm really grateful for you checking back for my latest and daily videos here. So today I will show you the latest update that was made to all of my plugins. So all my plugins will get this feature in the latest version. So all of them will be able to import content and to use Spintax in the generated post content and generated post title settings field. So this is a great news, believe me, because Spintax is very powerful, and if you haven't heard of Spintax already, you should check it out. I will link in this video's description some info about Spintax. If you don't know it, check it, and let me show you a quick example. So this is a really simple Spintax. This will be replaced either by hi or by hello or by good morning in the final content. So if you set the generated post content settings field to either to this Spintax, then the plugin will automatically select at random each time it generates a post one of these values. So in one post there might be hello, in other posts there might be good morning, and in other posts there might be hi. So this is very powerful way to get unique content, and believe me, Spintax is just the tip of the iceberg of what can be done with Spintax. So let me show you a quick example. Let me import for Board Panda, for example, and let me paste here a quick Spintax that I wrote for you guys. So this is the description of the item, the excerpt, and here will be a Spintax. Read more here, read the original here, read more from the original source, continued here, read more or more here. So this is a simple Spintax that will generate one of these read more texts each time the plugin generates a new post. And this is the link that will go to the new post. Let me complete this like this because it was copied incomplete. So now it is complete and we can go ahead and run it. So save settings. Let me check my test blog. It has only a testing post hey there, and let me run importing. So the plugin is now running importing. It finished, and if we refresh this, we will get a post. So this is the excerpt. Read the original here, and if we delete this post and re-import it, now we will get a different version. If we refresh this page, we will see continued here and the read more link, which links back to Board Panda. So this will make the plugin more powerful, and remember, this can be used also in the post title and even in other places like custom fields, post custom fields, post custom taxonomies. All will support Spintax starting from today, and this applies to all plugins that have this feature that generate posts or that post to social networks. So also the plugins that post to social networks will support Spintax. So yeah, this is for now. Please check the plugins and let me know what ideas you have for my plugins and how I should continue to develop and update them. And yeah, also please stay subscribed to this channel. It is really appreciated and you really show your support. And also I release a video each day at 8 p.m. GMT. These days I will be focusing on making updates for all my plugins and they will be functionality updates like this Spintax update. Tomorrow I am thinking on making an update that will allow plugins to use multiple templates for generated posts. So right now only one template can be used for posts, and I'm thinking of making an option to make multiple templates for posts, and the plugin should select a random template each time it generates a post. So yeah, this is all for now. Stay subscribed and also hit the bell notification to get notified each time I release a new video. I will be releasing new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so tomorrow at 8 p.m. GMT time zone I will be back here. So this is all for now. Stay safe guys, and until next time, have a great day. Over and out. Bye bye.